Hello dancers and welcome. I am Tiekka and this is Everyday Ballet, where we bring gorgeous, authentic classical ballet principles, training, and style to everyday life. You don't have to have a dancer's body or know anything about ballet. I'm here to show you all about it and how to bring some ballet gorgeousness into your life. In this video, we are going to have our grand finale of our simplified version of our Waltz of the Flowers dance along. So this is the simpler version, but it takes its cues from our regular version. So if you have not seen the dance, definitely check out the Waltz of the Flowers playlist. Now, this version is perfect if you have a tiny space, or maybe you're an absolute beginner, or maybe you have some limitations, injuries, and whatnot. And it also is a wonderful jumping off point for learning the more complex version of the dance. So this is a really, really good place to start. And remember, like, subscribe, share, and if you're enjoying doing some ballet with me, head on over to everydayballet.com and check out my online training options. I'd love to share more ballet with you. I'm so excited that you're here. Let's ballet. In this first run through, I will be providing our verbal cues, and then the second run through, there won't be any verbal cues, so you can just follow along. Now, a couple of things to remember. One is, I am your mirror image, so if I'm going that way, you are also going that way. There's no need to transpose the steps. The other thing to note is that I will be using the simplest version of arms, but you are certainly welcome to look at the other videos and take the arms that you would like and bring them into this simplified dance. In fact, that's a great way to start building up through this dance. And then finally, have you picked your flower today? I am a tiger lily, one of those beautiful pink and white and speckled flowers. So I hope you'll pick something very beautiful for yourself. Standing up nice and tall, just feeling the gorgeous sunshine on your chest, on your shoulders. We're going to welcome everyone to the dance. Here we go. Bend and straighten. And other side. Calling them and stepping forward for our pantomime. You, here, dance, open. And you can either come up to the balls of the feet or stay on flat. Either way, beckon them to the dance. And fingertips come down, up, and turning around, changing the feet. Step with the back foot, stretch. And now that back foot is going to come across. And sweep the fingertips to the corners. Stepping back to smooth your skirt. That's it. And coming up. And blooming in the sunshine. And take that back foot, stepping forward. Here we go with our balances. Balance, balance. Very gentle, very small. Now stepping, stretching to the side. Corner, bring that foot in front. Lunge and step. Now other side. Balance, down, up, down, up, down. Up and a stretch, corner, lunge, side to side, stretch, chasse, stretch, through. Backside front, and either flat or rise. Take the back foot, stretch, stretch, through, backside front, and bring it around. Other side, stretch, stretch, through. Backside front, rise or no, stretch and stretch through, backside front, bring that foot around. Second time through, same thing, side to side, very gentle, good. Stretch, bring the foot in front, lunge, Remember, we're using our box here, and balance, balance, and balance. Good. To the side. Side, corner, back corner. Good. Side to side. Stretch, chasse, stretch through. Back side, front. You can rise or not. Repeat. Stretch through. Back side, front. Step, other side. Stretch, stretch through. Back side, front. Susu, back foot. Steps. Good. Back side, front. And bring it around. Now we step. Smooth the skirt. Fingertips up. And cross to the other side. Push. Push. Down and up. Open the arms. And once again, step to the corner. Smooth your skirt. Arms up and cross to the other side. Push and a push. Arms down and up. Now balance, front corner, back corner, back corner. Stretch to the side. Bring the foot in front. Keep that foot in front. Now change it. Other side. Front corner, back corner, back corner. Stretch to the side. Corner, leave the foot, and now change it. Taking the front foot, step to the corner, smooth your skirt. Arms up, cross the wrists. Push and a push. Arms down and up, and you can either just step forward or do a little walk around yourself. Either way, open the arm, open the arm. We're back to our pattern. That's it. Good. To the side. Side, corner, lunge, generous, and again. Beautiful. Balance, balance, side, corner, back corner, open, side to side, stretch, stretch through, back side, front, back foot steps out, stretch, stretch through, back side, front, step to change sides, stretch, stretch through. Back side, front, susu. Either stepping forward or taking a little walk around. Big arms now. Lift, lift, balance forward. Front corner, back corner. Reach for the side. Step to the corner, reach for the side. Step to the corner, leave the foot there. Change the foot. Change the foot, arms come up, repeat, balance front corner, and back corner. Good. Now side, corner, lunge, open, side, corner, lunge, open, and front corner, and back corner. Good, and walking around, and opening, opening, out, side, front, and a little shuffle back, up, and finish. Excellent work. So now we are going to go through all of that. I'm going to zip my lips. Hopefully all of that jogged your memory, but you are welcome to rewind and go back and look at it again and again. But for this one, just see if you can find your joy, find your radiance, and truly delight in the waltz of the flowers. excellent work. I truly hope that you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, share, check out our online training programs at everydayballet.com. As always, it is such a delight to share the joy of ballet with you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy dancing.